Alright, seafood lovers, today is all about fish done 3 ways. From crispy to steam to saucy, we've got something for every mood. Let's dive in. We're first starting with the classic Amritsari Fish Fry. Start with boneless fish and give it that desi kick with red chili powder, ginger garlic paste, lemon juice and salt. Let it soak up all that flavor for 20 minutes. Now the magic mix. Besan, rice flour, curd, ajwain, egg and coriander leaves. Now coat the fish well and deep fry till golden brown and super crispy. Now sprinkle some chaat masala, toast in coriander, add onion rings, and there you have it, Punjab's pride on your plate. Next up, a delicate delight wrapped in banana leaves, Patra Ni Macchi. Now take some pomfret fish and make small cuts and sprinkle some lemon juice and salt and marinate for 5 minutes. Now blend up a green masala, coriander, mint, cumin, ginger, garlic, lemon juice, sugar, salt and grated coconut till you get a smooth paste. Now coat your fish with this paste generously on both sides, wrap it up in banana leaves, tie with string and steam for 10 to 15 minutes. Now unwrap it and that aroma hits you. Pure heaven. Now for the spice lover, this one's a banger. Fish chili. Now marinate your fish in soy sauce, vinegar and spices just for 10 minutes. Now dip in a quick batter and deep fry till golden. Now for that saucy magic, stir fry chilies, garlic and ginger and toast in veggies and add your sauce mix and bring back the fried fish. Now give it a quick toss, sprinkle sesame seeds and you've got a restaurant style fish chili at home. So which one's calling your name today? The crispy Amritsari, the aromatic Patra Ni Macchi or the fiery fish chili? Tell us in the comments, and for more such easy recipes, don't forget to subscribe to Times Foodie.